Yo, what's up everybody, Money Mindset here, and let me tell you, I'm pumped for this one. Imagine turning everyday tools like Temu and Google into a six-figure business machine. That's right, we're talking about building a real deal money-making empire using stuff you probably already use every day. Today I'll show you exactly how to make it happen in 7 actionable steps. We're gonna break it down step by step, no BS, just straight hustle. Let's get started. Alright, step 1, finding your niche. This is where the magic happens. You gotta find that sweet spot, something people are hungry for, something they need, something they gotta have. And guess what? Temu is your secret weapon. Open up the Temu app, start scrolling. See what's hot, what's trending, what's flying off the virtual shelves. Look for stuff that's affordable, stuff you can source easily, stuff with a high demand. We're talking about things people are already buying, but maybe there's a way to do it better, offer something unique, you know? Now here's where Google comes in. Use Google Trends. This tool is a goldmine. Type in different product ideas, see what's got the most searches, what's trending upwards. You want to see that line going up, up, up. That's how you know you're onto something hot. Pro tip, evergreen niches are your friend. Think health, wellness, home decor, tech gadgets, stuff people always need, no matter what's going on in the world. Find that evergreen niche and you're golden. Okay, time to build your online empire, and don't worry, you don't need to be a tech wizard to do this. Platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce are your new best friends. They make it stupid easy to set up a professional-looking online store, even if you don't know a line of code. The beauty of this? You can connect your store directly to Temu for seamless product sourcing. That means when someone orders from your store, boom, Temu handles the inventory, the packaging, the shipping, the whole 9 yards. You just focus on making those sales, baby. Now, when you're building your store, remember, presentation is everything. High-quality images are key. Make those products pop. And the product descriptions, you gotta make them sing. Clear, concise, and highlight the benefits. Why should someone buy from you? Tell them. Pro tip, build trust with your customers. Add customer reviews, testimonials, anything that shows you're the real deal. People buy from people they trust, remember that. Alright, we're diving into the Google-verse, and trust me, this is where things get really interesting. Google offers a suite of tools that can transform the way you manage your business. Google Workspace, my friends, is about to become your new secret weapon. It's a comprehensive suite of productivity tools designed to streamline your workflow. We're talking Gmail, Google Calendar, Google Drive, the whole shebang. First up, Google Sheets. This tool is incredibly versatile and can be used for a variety of tasks. This is your inventory management dream tool. With Google Sheets, you can create detailed inventory lists, track stock levels, and manage orders efficiently. Keep track of every single product, every order, every single detail, all in one place. The real-time collaboration feature allows multiple team members to update the sheet simultaneously. No more messy spreadsheets, no more lost inventory, just pure, organized bliss. Next, Google Drive. This is your digital filing cabinet. This is where you're going to keep all your important files, your product images, your marketing materials, everything. It's all neatly organized and easily accessible. And the best part? It's all backed up in the cloud, so you never have to worry about losing anything. Access your files from any device, anywhere, anytime. And of course, we can't forget about Google Analytics. This tool provides invaluable insights into your website's performance. This is your website's report card. It tells you everything you need to know about your traffic, where it's coming from, what pages people are visiting, how long they're staying on your site. This data is pure gold. Use it to make informed decisions about your business. Optimize your content, improve user experience, and boost your conversion rates. The insights you gain from Google Analytics can help you refine your marketing strategies and grow your business more effectively. Pro tip: claim your Google My Business profile. This is a must for any business looking to improve its online presence. This puts you on the map, literally. Customers can find you easily, see your hours, read reviews, and get directions. It's free advertising, people. Make sure your profile is complete and up to date to attract more customers and build trust. Time to get those customers rolling in, and we're going to do it with the power of Google Ads. This platform is a game changer for businesses of all sizes. This is where you put your marketing hat on and get strategic. It's not just about creating ads, it's about creating the right ads for the right people. Google Ads lets you target your ideal customer with laser precision. You can reach people who are already interested in what you offer. You can target people based on their interests, their demographics, even their search history. This means your ads are shown to those who are most likely to convert. So, if someone's searching for affordable tech gadgets or trendy home decor, boom, your ad pops up. It's like having a personal shopper guiding them to your store. Keywords are your best friend here. Think like your customer. What words or phrases are they using to find products like yours? What are they typing into that Google search bar? Understanding this can make a huge difference in your ad's performance. Use those keywords in your ad campaigns to attract the right audience. The more relevant your keywords, the more effective your ads will be. And don't be afraid to get specific. The more you narrow down your audience, the better your chances of converting them into customers. The more targeted your ads, the better your results. It's all about reaching the right people at the right time. Now I know what you're thinking, Google Ads, that sounds expensive. But don't worry, it doesn't have to break the bank. But here's the thing, it doesn't have to be. You can start with a small budget and still see great results. You can start small even with just a $5 daily budget and scale up as your sales grow. It's a flexible platform that grows with your business. It's all about testing, tweaking, and finding what works best for your business. Don't be afraid to experiment. Pro tip, use A/B testing to see which ads are performing best. This helps you understand what resonates with your audience. Try different headlines, different images, different calls to action. Variety can help you find the perfect combination. The more you test, the better your ads will become. Continuous improvement is key to a successful ad campaign. We're taking our marketing game to the next level with Temu's built-in marketing tools. Temu's not just a sourcing platform, it's a marketing powerhouse, and we're going to tap into that power. All right, first up, flash sales. Everyone loves a good deal, right? Offer limited time discounts on your products to create a sense of urgency. This is a great way to boost sales and clear out inventory. Next, leverage Temu's coupon codes. Give your customers a little something extra to sweeten the deal. You can offer percentage discounts, free shipping, or even buy one get one deals. And don't forget about social media. Promote your Temu products on your Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, wherever your target audience hangs out. Use eye-catching visuals and compelling copy to drive traffic to your store. Pro tip, collaborate with influencers. Find influencers in your niche and partner with them to promote your products. Influencers have a loyal following who trust their recommendations, so this can be a powerful way to reach new customers. We're talking about building a loyal customer base. This is crucial for the long-term success of your business. Because let's be real, repeat customers are the lifeblood of any successful business. They are the ones who drive consistent revenue and help your business grow. These are the people who keep coming back for more, who trust your brand and rely on your products or services. They tell their friends about you, spreading the word and becoming raving fans. Word of mouth is incredibly powerful. So how do you build this loyal following? It starts with understanding your customers' needs and exceeding their expectations. It's all about providing exceptional customer service. Respond to inquiries promptly, offer hassle-free returns, and make every interaction positive. Go above and beyond to ensure your customers are happy. A satisfied customer is more likely to return and recommend your business to others. Another key ingredient is fast shipping. In today's fast-paced world, customers expect quick delivery. Nobody wants to wait weeks for their order to arrive. Fast shipping can significantly enhance the customer experience. Use Temu's fast shipping options to get those products to your customers as quickly as possible. Speedy delivery can set you apart from competitors. And don't forget to stay in touch. Regular communication keeps your brand top of mind. Use email marketing to keep your customers informed about new products, special offers, and company updates. Consistent engagement is key, but don't just spam them with promotional emails. Provide value, share interesting content, and build relationships. Make your emails worth opening. Pro tip, use Google Forms to collect customer feedback. This can provide insights into what you're doing right and where you can improve. Ask your customers what they liked, what they didn't like, and how you can improve. Their input is invaluable. This valuable feedback can help you make your business even better. Use it to refine your strategies and enhance your offerings. Building a loyal customer base takes effort, but the rewards are well worth it. Invest in your customers, and they will invest in you. All right, we're talking about automation and scaling your business. This is where you take your business to the next level, where you go from solopreneur to CEO. Automation is your best friend when it comes to scaling. There are tons of tools and apps out there that can help you automate tasks like order fulfillment, customer service, and even marketing. One of my favorites is Oberlo, which seamlessly integrates with Temu to automate your entire dropshipping process. As your business grows, you'll probably need to bring on some help. Google Workspace makes team collaboration a breeze. You can share files, manage projects, and communicate with your team all in one place. And don't be afraid to reinvest your profits back into your business. Use that money to expand your product line, invest in higher value products, and explore new marketing channels. Pro tip: never stop learning. The world of e-commerce is constantly evolving, so it's important to stay up to date on the latest trends and technologies. Attend industry events, read books and blogs, and never be afraid to experiment. And there you have it, folks. 7 actionable steps to build your 6-figure business using the power of Temu and Google. Now you've got the blueprint to build a 6-figure business using Temu and Google. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight. It takes hard work, dedication, and a whole lot of hustle. But if you're willing to put in the effort, the rewards can be life-changing. So what are you waiting for? Start today and let us know your progress in the comments below.